Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to access to cPanel in Hostinger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to log in to cPanel at Hostinger. When you purchase a cPanel housing plan at Hostinger, it is managed from your hPanel along with other aspects of your account and billing, as well as related services you may have purchased, such as domains or professional emails. In order to log into your cPanel and manage your hosting plan, you have two available methods. Option 1 from hPanel, access the homepage of your hPanel and click on Manage next to your cPanel hosting. On the next section, click on Login to cPanel. You will be directed to your cPanel home without needing to enter your credentials. Option 2, using cPanel direct URL. Access the homepage, your cPanel, and click on Manage next to your cPanel hosting. As you can see, guys, right here in the picture. Once you do that, next, scroll down to find the cPanel details. As you can see, guys, right here, this is where you're gonna find the cPanel details under general information. Two alternative URLs to access the login page via your domain name by adding /cPanel or using the Hostinger server and port. Your cPanel username and a button to copy it into the clipboard. The password will not be displayed. If you forgot your password, click on Change Password and set a new one. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.